Imagine a huge crowd of people all gathered for a sacred event suddenly turning into a scene of panic and disaster. How did a religious festival become a place of tragedy, and what could have been done to stop it? I'm lawyer Joshipa, and this is a heartbreaking incident at the Maha Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj. Three fire has broken out so far in the city. February 7th, 2025, a fire broke out at the Friday at ISKCON camp in Sector 18 Sankaracharya Marg in Prayagraj, Maha Kumbh Mela Kshetra. The incident has caused panic among nearby tents and as thick clouds of smoke engulfed the area. We'll go over what happened, what actions are being taken now, and how this tragedy could have been prevented. Before we jump into that, I hope you know I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's look at all the incidents that has happened so far in Maha Kumbh Mela. This fire marks the third reported fire incident in the Maha Kumbh Mela region. Just last month, a cylinder blast caused a fire in Sector 19, injuring one person and destroying 18 tents. Following the previous incidents, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi visited Prayagraj to oversee preparations for Mauni Amavasya and directed authorities to implement measures to prevent similar events from happening. Also on January 29, 2025, millions of people came to Prayagraj to take a dip in the river where the Ganges, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati meet. However, as the crowd moved towards the river banks, panic broke out. Some people tried to climb over the barricades, which caused a stampede. Eyewitnesses were describing terrifying scenes of people falling, getting crushed, and struggling to escape. Sadly, help did not arrive quickly, and it took nearly 18 hours for the officials to confirm how many people had died or were injured. Legal actions and public outcry. After the tragedy, a public interest litigation was filed in the Supreme Court. This petition demands the government to create and enforce strict safety rules for large religious gatherings. Many people are now asking why such a huge event did not have better planning to control the crowds. They want answers and they want assurance that such disasters will not happen again. Government response and criticism is Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi has ordered an investigation into what went wrong. The government has also announced financial help for families of the victims. Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared his condolences, but many people believe that the authorities did not do enough to manage the event safely. Opposition leaders and media heavily criticized the government, saying that this was not the first time a religious gathering led to a tragedy. Even after past incidents, proper safety steps were not taken, and this failure costed many lives. What could have been done better? The Maha Kumbh Mela is famous for attracting millions of devotees, so handling the crowd should have been a top priority. If better barricades, clear pathways, and more entry and exit points had been in place, the panic might have not been happened at all. The authorities could have used technology like drones, security cameras to monitor the crowd and to react to danger quickly. There should have been emergency exits that were easy to access, and the officials should have trained the staff and pilgrims on how to handle such situations. The government could have also educated people on safety rules through announcements and posters. Lastly, the event needed better infrastructure, including proper lighting, signs, and medical aid stations to handle emergencies. This tragedy at the Maha Kumbh Mela is a painful reminder that events of this large scale need careful planning and strict safety measures. As investigations continue and legal action is taken, we can only hope that lessons are learned and better rules are put in place to prevent such disasters in the future. Faith and devotion should bring peace, not loss and suffering. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on important events. I will see you in the next video.